All right, guys, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. What a perfect spec. Now, almost the entire car is wrapped in PPF. So we have the full front clip, doors, lower rocker, roof, A-pillar, mirrors. That excludes the spoiler, this upper deck, and the rear bumper. Now, on the rear bumper, you do have it here on the edge and on that lower slat there. But the main part of the bumper and this upper deck lid and spoiler do not have film. Everything else, though, is fully protected. And this thing looks awesome. Headlights are protected as well. So starting here on the front, you're gonna have a couple imperfections in the film from rock impacts. It's very hard to tell if any of those made their way through to the paint. So you have a little one in here, kind of scanning the front. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Got a little impact right there. A couple minor scuffs. Got a little impact there. I'll get this side in the sun so we can see that lower section. Got one right here. Now there is a chip. I can tell that's a chip that made its way through and or was there before the film was applied. That fender looks amazing. These wheels look absolutely gorgeous. Very, very clean. Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. 45/35/20s. Now here on this section, you do have film in here protecting the edge, but it has sustained a couple little rock chips. That lower rocker's fully protected. Checking out this side mirror, looks amazing. Coming up this A-pillar, looks really good. Roof looks awesome. Doors look good. Now this area has sustained some rock chips, and it looks like some of them were there pre-PPF. So we have a chip right there that's pretty large. One right here, there. I'll notate a couple more. Got a few scratches and things like that. And then the PPF itself has sustained some rock damage. And it stops about right here. Everything from there up looks good. This wheel looks absolutely perfect as well. Rear bumper looks amazing. Spoiler looks awesome. I don't see any other damage here on the backside. So really just this lower quarter there is what sustained some rock chips. All right, checking out the back left here. That upper quarter looks amazing. These wheels look absolutely perfect. Now, of course, this section right here has sustained rock chips. I'll try to get close. You can see some of them were previous before the PPF, and or they were just big enough to go through that film. You have a couple scuffs on the film here from getting in and out. That mirror looks awesome. That wheel looks perfect. Fender looks amazing. Checking out this front end. Looking at this splitter. A little bit of curb rash on the underside right there. And a little bit here on the front. This side's clean, but I don't really see any visual from here, so all that curb rash is underneath. Now you are going to have a couple rock chips here and there or impacts in that film, but really nothing's just screaming and standing out at me. It all looks really good. And checking out back here, it's super clean, and you have the carbon overlay there. Make it nice and pretty, and then you have it on the underside as well. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. This door panel looks really nice. Buttons look good. Checking out the kick plate. This looks super clean. Now Now we do have a few scuffs here on the plastic. Overall, that bolster looks amazing. Now this little patch right here has sustained a little bit of wear, but it is protecting this. That bolster looks awesome. Very, very clean. All the carbon looks good. You have a little wrinkle right there. A small one here, but the rest of that seat looks good. You can see this is still really soft. The stitching looks good. And all of those buttons look amazing. Shifter still looks amazing too. Very clean. And one thing to note that I just realized, that this is actually a cover, and this is a cover to protect the factory. And so it goes on there really nice, comes in on this seam, fully protects that from getting in and out, so you're not harming that factory leather. Very, very nice. And then checking out this door panel, looks absolutely perfect. Kick plate area is nice and clean, and then once again you got these covers to protect that factory leather under there. These covers slide under and snap in. You see the quality is really nice. And then same here, protecting that. Nothing here on the upper side, it's just on that lower section. That seat looks awesome. This side of the dash looks good, console looks amazing.